Ever wondered where people use Paysend? It's a question that's been on my mind for a while, and I decided to dive deep into the data to find out. Imagine being able to send money to a friend or family member across the globe in just a few clicks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what Paysend does, and it's used in some pretty surprising places. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what Paysend is. It's a peer-to-peer payment platform that allows you to send money to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. It's a convenient and affordable way to transfer funds, especially for those who live far apart from their loved ones. 1. The global reach of Paysend. Paysend has a surprisingly wide reach. It's available in over 170 countries, and it's growing every day. This means that no matter where you or your recipient is located, there's a good chance you can use Paysend to send money. 2. Popular countries for Paysend. While Paysend is available in many countries, there are a few that stand out as particularly popular. Let's take a look. The United Kingdom, the UK, is one of the largest markets for Paysend, with millions of people using it to send money to friends and family overseas. The United States, the US, is another major market for Paysend, especially among immigrants who send money back to their home countries. Russia, Paysend is extremely popular in Russia, and it's often used for international transactions. India is another important market for Paysend, with millions of people using it to send money to relatives and friends living abroad. Philippines. The Philippines is another country where Paysend is widely used, especially by overseas Filipino workers who send money home to their families. 3. Why these countries? But why are these countries so popular for Paysend? There are a few factors at play. Large populations. These countries have large populations, which means there's a large pool of potential users. High remittance flows. Many of these countries have high remittance flows, meaning people send a lot of money to their loved ones overseas. Economic conditions. Economic conditions can also play a role. In some countries, people may use Paysend to send money because it's more affordable or convenient than traditional methods. 4. Other countries. While the countries mentioned above are particularly popular, Paysend is also used in many other places around the world. Here are a few examples. Africa. Paysend is growing in popularity in Africa, especially in countries like Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa. Latin America. Paysend is also gaining traction in Latin America, with countries like Brazil and Mexico seeing increasing usage. Asia. In Asia, Paysend is used in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. 5. The future of Paysend. As Paysend continues to grow, it's likely that we'll see it become even more popular in new countries and regions. The company is constantly expanding its network and introducing new features to make it easier for people to send and receive money. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Paysend is used in a wide variety of countries around the world, from the UK to the Philippines and beyond. It's a convenient and affordable way to send money, and its popularity is only expected to grow in the future. Call to action. If you're looking for a reliable way to send money internationally, Paysend is definitely worth considering. Give it a try and see for yourself why it's so popular. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.